Now, what's the reason behind? Now, I told you there is no reason behind, just for your examination purposes. We are going to discuss this. Otherwise, legally, it is not having any difference. Either she is or she was not, because that is even not a topic to be debatable. Being a slightly feminist, I am very much like, I am not feeling very good to teach you about this thing, because that is a very, very superficial thing to teach you about. So, civil things are that it can be a reason for the nullity of the marriage. Okay? It can be a reason of the divorce, but it doesn't mean that if you want to give divorce, all the tests should be there and there should be legal process about that. But it has been done previously. And in rape, it is established that either it was defloration because of the rape or because not of the rape. But as I told you, there is no difference in the punishment in both cases. So there is no reason to do that. Okay. So in criminal cases, obviously in criminal cases, the rape is basically not in civil case, it is now in the criminal cases. And you know about the punishment of rape. किसी को पता है क्या punishment है rape की? नहीं, गैंग रेप की डेथ पेनल्टी है. रेप की डेफिनेशन, रेप की पनिशमेंट इज अप टू 25 years जो है वो इम्प्रिजमेंट है. बट गैंग रेप में, और इफ द रेप इज विद लाइक चाइल्ड, देन द डेथ पेनल्टी इज देयर. The next topic is also, so in virginity, the question which can be asked from you is, what is the difference between the true and false virgin? How would you differentiate between defloration and the intact hymen? What are the different types of hymen? These small topics can be asked from you in this condition. Next thing